Guys, just getting to the lake. I always start off right by the bank first, because most of the time when you first get here, it's probably one sitting right here by the bank. So you don't want to come up to the place all stumbling around. Try to be quiet. Ah, little baby. But I got a bite on my first cast. Let's see. Yeah, guys, I'm back out here at Channing's Lake. It's right outside of Gwinnett Fire Department. And you just walk down behind the fire department and you got all this loveliness right here. Oh, there go one just busted right there. But I hadn't gotten to my fishing spot yet. I just wanted to try by this tree. Yeah, I hadn't been able to come out here and get no fishing in. It's been raining so hard. And my wife had coronavirus, so I was on quarantine. This is the first time I got to fish in about 2 weeks. So sorry for not shooting no videos lately, guys. But we're gonna hopefully get on one today. All right, getting to our first spot, guys. I'm throwing a jerk bait from Impala. And I'm just gonna try to cover some water today. I got a square bill crankbait, this jerk bait, and a top water spook. And I'm slinging today. Do a whole lot of casts, fan out. I start here, fan out this way, that way, that way, that way, till I get a bite. Hopefully they out here today. All I'm doing is jerking it. Jerk, jerk, and then I stop. It'll pop, pop, then stop. Oh, there go one busting. Pop, pop, pop. Yeah, but like I said, this is my first week back fishing, man. And got hung up already. Thank you for coming loose. First day back fishing. It's been a minute, man. Probably about 2-3 weeks since I had got a fish. 2 weeks at least. And that's definitely not me. Like I said, my objective today is just covering a whole lot of water, man. I'm gonna cover this whole half of this lake. Just searching. I want this big one today. So I'll be going kind of fast. A lot of cast. Then I may slow down. I don't know. I'm gonna try here and out on this point right here. I had a monster get off last time I came out here. Shook it when he got up. Just make long casts, pop, pop, let it sit. Pop, 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 let it sit. And if they're here, they're gonna smack this thing. One thing about this lake is not many bass here, but the ones are in here are quality. Not gonna have no field day at this lake, but you can catch a few. There's one busting right there. Yeah, but y'all stick up with, stay tuned with me, man. Y'all hit the like and subscribe button. Like I said again, this is Jay Dickerson fishing in your hood. We in northern Georgia today. Trying to find one of these big monster bass. But if anybody live in the Suwannee area, man, hit me up. Let's go hook up and do some fishing, because I don't know where to go. Running out of spots. Google Maps ain't really showing me too much. Every place I go, I get put out. Yeah, homeowners association is something else, boy. Anybody had problems with the homeowners? Y'all give me a comment. But yeah, this is Jay Dickerson fishing in your hood again. Hopefully I'll come back with a big one. Peace. Fish, guys. Little baby. First one of the day. I seen him over there hitting on something, so I came over here and got him. A little pipsqueak on the worm. First fish of the day, though. Pretty little dude. Let's throw him back in. Ooh, belly flop. Getting to my second spot, guys. Try this jerkbait out a little bit on this point. See what we catch. Haven't gave up on the jerkbait yet. Getting ready to switch up to a square bill. One, two. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2, 3. 1. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Nothing. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Anybody had the coronavirus that I know in my audience? If so, leave me a comment. What did y'all have to do? I was on quarantine for 7 days. Couldn't go to work, out of work for a week. I wasn't never sick though. Funny what these times have came to though, man. Never thought I would see all these people deaths due to COVID-19. My wife doesn't even go anywhere and she caught it. But luckily nobody else was sick in the family. My little 4-year-old daughter, she didn't catch it. I didn't catch it. But at least I had my vaccine if I did. I'm not sure. What are y'all thoughts on the vaccine? Leave me a comment below. But like I said, this is Jay Dickerson fishing in their hood. Hopefully I'll get on another fish for y'all. Look at this little thing. Number 2 on the worm. Been fishing a minute too, about 30 minutes. Nothing's biting, nothing moving. Another little dinky dink. Fish number 2, what it do? We got fish number 3. Still ain't getting no, a little bigger. About almost a pound. A little bigger, guys. Alright, fish number 3. Oh, guys, on the lipless crankbait. As soon as it hit the water. Check that out for number 4. Still ain't getting no bigger. Let's get a release on her. Still ain't getting no daggone bigger. Back at spot number 3. See if we can catch something in this little cove. I've caught 4 fish so far. I'm looking for number 5. I'm gonna call it a day. So hopefully I catch one on this chatterbait right here. Haven't caught any fish moving today. All the ones I've caught been on a little worm. Trying to improve on my size a little bit. Maybe I won't get no more bites, but catching any fish is better than not catching none. See, you can catch them on the worm, but it's too slow. And I ain't catching nothing but the little dinky dinks. I might switch up to a crankbait. Last cast for the chatterbait. Ultra calm, just finished raining. Not biting on nothing top water. Well, hopefully I get on number 5. Well, number 5, guys. Not big at all. Another dinky dink. Hey, man. Number 5 for the day. I just wanted one more. Thank you, fish. Go back and get a little bigger next year. It been 8 already, hit already. I gotta get a release on it. Number 5, guys. What's going on, YouTube? This is Jay Dickerson, fishing in your hood. We was at Lake X today, man. We caught about 5 fish. Biggest about a pound. But any day out, man, catching some fish is great, man. I've been locked in the house for a while. Like I said, I had family issues with COVID. I've been on quarantine, man. But y'all like and subscribe, y'all. We trying to get some more stuff done, man. I've been down for a minute, but thanks to God, I'm back again. So y'all stay tuned for the next episode of Jay Dickerson, Fishing in Your Hood. Peace.